Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about amazing project that name is USD1swap.site. So guys, I will give you a detail about this project. So please subscribe my channel first and also press the bell button to receive the every notification from our video. So guys, let's begin the video starting from in the past few years the crypto market has gone through several narratives from the DeFi summer to GameFi and the meme frenzy, but over time the market realized that what can truly carry a multi-trillion dollars scale is not shorter term high but guys compliant DeFi plus RAW or real world assets, because this about bringing the capital rules and the trust of the traditions finance into the Web3, a real connection between the blockchain and the global financial system. At the same time, during the Bitcoin Asia conference in the Hong Kong, a project announced a major milestone. The Mawa public chain officially launched its maintained and signed a cooperation agreement with USD OneSwap to jointly build a compliant settlement and liquidity infrastructure. Today's we are breaking guys down the all key details behind these new narratives, and the visual suggestion is that global financial market versus the crypto market comparison animations and the Bitcoin Asia conference short stage seeking movements quick guys flashes agreement signed USD OneSwap plus Mawa. So guys, here is there is some details for the new generation, the guys on-chain financial orders, the opportunity in the era like down to the compliance stable coins. Secondly, guys, we are going to talk about like content wise everyone talking about RW compliant DeFi because of the size of the traditional financial market in incomes and global bond market over 100 trillion and global real estate around 300 trillion. That is the main guys thing we are talking about. So guys, secondly, we can talk about even if just 1% of these assets come on the chain, it would trigger massive capital inflow. The guys a shortcoming of a past DeFi is that is couldn't truly connect with the real world assets guys regulations, and now it's trend it's capital and technology. Visual suggestion is that world map guys with the floating numbers and bonds real estate gold commodities and animations showing 1% on the chain, a huge liquidity explosion, bridge a graphic between traditional finance and the blockchain. Secondly, guys, we can talk about Mawa chain, a new financial infrastructure. We can talk about their new infrastructure. You can check out about that all things there, guys. Their community, their guys, their infrastructure as well. You can check out. We will talk about in the depth. So here guys we can talk about in this environment the Mawa public chain guys and it's just another blockchain. It's finance a great infrastructure built especially for compliant DeFi and raw RWA uh, key features like high performance peak throughout 111 TPS transactions and finality under 1.5 seconds, institutional grade compliance, natively integrated KYC, AML, mount tracking on the chain, auditing, modern architecture plug to play, commitment, shorting stablecoin issuance assets and tokenizations on the payment settlement, financing and strategic sport at the Mawa Gala mint and launch ceremony during the Bitcoin, and Mawa officially announced the launch of its mainnet. It's also completed $100 million strategic funding around the LED and Echo One Foundation, the GeoNova Capital, backed by the institutional investors and regional financial policies. Mawa CEO Avail Mohassan emphasized that Mawa is the bridge between the trade DeFi and guys, Web3, the connection between compliance and innovations, a platform where the Middle East, the US, and the global market. At the same event, Mawa signed an agreement with UST1 Swap. UST1 Swap's a CMO with the confirmed that it with the top Nova as its compliant settlement backbone powering cross a border stablecoin and payment solutions. All of this shows that Mawa is no longer just a tech experiment. It's a real initiative with a capital policy ecosystem support. So as Bitcoin Asia conference footage like Mawa, we will talk about their guys footage. I will send you the link as well of their guys footage. So in the description sections. Secondly, guys, executive shaking hands, signing a contract, subtitle showing key quotes for VL and Smith. So, guys, in a third thing, we will talk about USD1 swap, the Genesis Eagle plan. So here is the guys their Genesis Eagle plan. We will talk about in depth and how it works and going to be guys started. I will guys talk about in depth how the it plays a role and how it will be worked for the guys future. So guys, we'll open this file. I will give the link as well in the description section. You can simply click on the link and that screen will be opened in your guys. So become a builder of the new order. Simply guys, you can check out the Genesis nodes, Genesis Eagles and community competitions. So guys, we have to move forward to the Genesis Eagle section. Simply guys, you can click on the Eagle section. The second option guys, you can open this screen will be open to you. That is the guys their PDF USD swap Genesis Eagle subscriptions plan. The Genesis Eagle subscription plan is now open, designed to provide a series of exclusive rights. So guys, so what USDT role in the Mawa USD1 decentralized liquidity and a settlement protocol throughout its newly launched Genesis Eagle plan. USD1 is evolving from a simple trading venue into a compliant high performance financial engine serving stablecoins and guys RWA, the Web 2 and a Web 3 enterprise. Its main direction include expanding stablecoin, clearing the trading services, bringing real world assets like bonds, real estate and commodities on chain with liquidity, lowering the entry the barrier for Web 2 enterprises moving into the Web 3 as CMO Smith and Bitcoin Asia, the real choose Mawa because it's providing a compliant settlement blockchain and a globally developable foundation, making our stablecoin and payment solutions for more reliable, efficient across regions. So visual suggestion is a USD1 swap logo with a Genesis Eagle plan animated overlay keywords popping out stablecoin RW on the chain cross. Guys, regional payments, eagle graphics soaring upward to the symbolize the plan. So guys, you can check out their chapters as well, how it prepared, how it ecosystem worked, their airdrop, their exclusive parks, their chapter, all the chapters around it. You can simply guys check out and get the link from me. Like ecosystem airdrop priority access to the airdrop quads for launched and ecosystem projects, and their sponsorship qualifications also to join the official IDO sponsoring institutions, and they receive ecosystem incubation slot exclusive peak for receive a limited editions Messi NFT valued at 200,000 USD and 2000 USD and co-brand a signature scored clats. So guys, you can check out that all sections in their PDF. Simply guys, you can open it. I will provide the link to you to check it. In the second section guys, you can check out their guys a series as well. This is the link of their series. So guys, that Mawa maintain launched partnering with a Middle Eastern capital to build a global compliant payment with a new ecosystem. So as a node strategy also bring real technology innovations. It's a core of a RAM protocol which enables cross-chain liquidity seamlessly, bridging assets from multiple blockchains. The UST11 swap and launched guys in contributing innovations and applicable projects. The thematic pool supporting occurred assets and classes sectors like culture, sports, and even meme IP combined with Ravas. So these features transform UST1 from guys being just a marketplace into a Compside, a platform for assets tokenization project and in guys inclusion visual sections is aimed comparison for AIM server as RAM dynamic curve assets from multiple chains following into a USD1 swap via bridges launchpad animations with the project launching the community. Future outlook also guys we can check out their future outlook as well guys their mawas their guys ecosystem about it how their ecosystem on the weeks we will talk about it. So guys here you can check out looking at a combination of a mawa and USD1 swap could drive major changes like cross-border payments, like networks, seamless complaint, a stable coin, and settlement flows between countries and regions. Deep Rava's ecosystem, large-scale tokenization, liquidity for bonds, real estate, and commodities, policy regularity combination guys a joint compliance framework in Hong Kong, Abu Dhabi, global market, and under EU MiCA. The Web3 to the Web3 clearization enterprises, brands, and real economy projects onboarding digital assets at lower guys barriers. In a short, MAVA provides a compliant DeFi foundation while guys USD1 acts with guys your visual suggestion roadmap animation and cross-border payments are raw on a chain stablecoin infra structure enterprises to adoptions logos for regulation to financial hubs community voting and under participations. So guys in a closing sessions we can talk about Bitcoin Visa and Witness Mava maintain launch their agreement with the UST1 with the visions, backbone and technology ecosystems. The questions now is can truly break down the barriers between the traditional finance and the blockchain. Can stable guys payments liquidity reach a real large scale adoption? Share your thoughts in the guys comments as well. And the main thing guys you can check out it is listed on the Weeks Mavic system. Dex USD1 launches their Genesis Eagle plan to explore the new path for DeFi and raw and integrations like how September 24th Mavic system decentralized exchanges from USD1 swap today announced the officially launched to the Genesis plan, making platform entry into a new development stage. Also, guys, you can check out their CMO. Their Smith stated the Genesis Eagle plan is just a beginning, and the future it continues to expand stablecoin trading, hours on the chain, and implementations the Web3 and applications aiming become a representative protocol. So, guys, in the last section, I can truly say that. That Lavacoin is the awesome project. So guys, you have to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we have see you in the next deep dive. So guys, simply like our video and subscribe to our channels. Bitcoin Asia selling and launching guys the logos fit. So guys, you can simply check out the L section I have provided. You will get the all links in my video descriptions. Hope you guys all might enjoy this video. I know it's a bit longer, but it is guys worthful for you all, and it will give you the good profit for the future. So guys, go and join the project now and enjoy it. So guys, that's our video. Hope you enjoy it. Let's meet in the next video, guys. Goodbye.